Welcome back to Displacement Garage. My name is Carisha, and today we've partnered with American Modified to install a new grille on our 2025 Jeep Gladiator. This is Artemis. This is our 2025 Jeep Gladiator. First things first, let's go ahead and get this winch out of the way so that way we can have full access to the grille. Get ready to pause and screenshot for the list of tools that you'll need for this installation. Once you pop your hood, you're going to be looking at the front grille assembly that is currently on your Jeep. You're going to start off by removing the 6 retaining clips on your grille. I'm going to go through and point at each one of these. Some people use a flathead screwdriver. I really like the forked trim tool. I'll put a link to this down in the description below. Use the small fork to pry up on the small retaining clip. Then use the U shape in the trim tool to pull up the entire piece. Once you have those removed, go ahead and give a light tug on the top left and right of your grille assembly. Once those 2 spots are broken loose, you'll be able to freely remove the entire grille assembly. Go ahead and set this out of the way as you won't need it for the rest of the project. Let's get ready to unbox our new Vader grille. Something I love about American Modified is how they do their shipping and packaging. They have a really good, safe, and secure system as far as how they ship their products. So all 4 corners are going to be covered in a styrofoam. Everything is bubble wrapped. Everything is really professional looking, but it's also very, very easy for these corners to get damaged during shipping. And they take a great care to make sure that you're going to get your product completely intact and 100% perfect. And I just can't get over how this looks. It looks really awesome. I wouldn't call this test fitment. I would call this maybe testing the visual. I want to see what it looks like. You're also going to have weather stripping, plug and play wiring, clips, retaining clips, all kinds of clips, and 4 screws. Real life scenario, if behind your grille that you took off has these little metal clips, take something really small like at the end of a flathead screwdriver and you can just pop those right off. You're going to want to use the new clips. They're a lot more durable. Go ahead and attach your additional trim pieces here with your 4 screws. We're going to do this on the driver's side and the passenger side. Let's go ahead and attach the 6 new metal clips to the back of your new grille. I'm going to wire these into our turn signals that we have on our headlights. You could also use your trailer harness, or you could use an auxiliary harness, or you could do a fuse relay. There's a bunch of different ways you could do this. For us, I'm going to go ahead and remove the headlights. For ours, I'm going to go ahead and tap into the turn signal on the passenger and driver side. Make sure that you guys check your wiring diagrams online, as I've learned during this project that almost all the Jeep Gladiators are different wiring colors. So definitely make sure that you plug in your year, your model, everything. Make sure that everything is completely accurate for your specific model. Strip each end of the wire that you're working with. Fan the open wire out. Go ahead ahead and have your heat shrink added on one side of your wire. Then you can fan out the rest of your wires. Gather 2 wires together, then go ahead and fan it in between the other side. At this point, you want them to kind of interlock or intertwine their little rakes, and then you're going to twist them both together. Finish off with your heat shrink. Testing, 1, 2, 1, 2. We ended up using fuse number 52 with a fuse relay, and then we grounded it off on the side of the black wire. You can kind of see there's a little ground spot right beside the fuse box you can use. Get ready to plug in your new grill and test it out before finalizing anything else. Once everything works and looks great, you're going to go ahead and secure everything. Go ahead and push the top 2 pieces in. Then you're going to apply pressure to the bottom 6 clips. I wanted to wait and do a little wire tucking after everything was on, so I'm going to hop under here and zip tie up a couple of these longer wires. Hasty took my car to work, and I hear him pulling in now. Let's go ahead and go check on him and see if we want to show him the progress that we've made. I was working. Yeah. Do you want to see a surprise?
Surprise. I don't know if I want to see the surprise.
Oh. Ta-da!
That's pretty good.
That's a little bitty smile on your face. I like that. Don't forget to stop by American Modified. We're going to leave their link down in the comments below and the description. And don't forget to get all your Displacement Garage merchandise at displacementgarage.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're glad to be back. We'll see y'all next week.